Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you some of the limitation that we have in our 23 AI Oracle database. So since it's a developer release and Oracle has not officially released its full version, that's why it's not available in a very full shape. So let me show you how it's limited in its own version since now. So for example, if we are creating another instance from our database configuration assistant, we're running this administrator. So you can see it's loading the file and giving us the option to create a database. So if we go with typical or advanced configuration in both cases, we have the same settings. But if we choose, you can see I'm choosing my global name as free 2. So my SID will be free 2 already, and my PDB will be free 2 PDB 1. So if I go next, so it giving me the warning of the SID name must be free. If you see the detail, it should be free. So if I just set it as free, so since that free database is already exist, so in this developer release we cannot create uh, two instances of database. So that's why this is since now it's limited. The other way, if we create by running the database configuration assistant, so now I'm managing my pluggable database, that is my container database, and I have to create another pluggable PDB. So you can see that my free database CDB is already exist, and if I click next, it's loading the file, and you can see I'm creating it from PDB seed. It will ask me the name of database, so I will set it as free PDB2. Let's say it's admin2. The password is same Oracle. Okay, so you can see now we are able to create the PDB in our free container database. If I finish, it will create this. So since now this is Oracle official developer release, that is Oracle Database 23 AI, it's just a developer release, and we can test a single instance of database since now. Okay, our database plug PDB has created now. So for testing, we can run the CMD. I will connect the SQL Plus with the sysdba, and here if I show my PDBs, so you can see that we have now two PDBs. So since now we can create in this free release only PDBs, not the second instance or third instance. So this is so far the limitation. On second container, we can then install another instance of Oracle Apex and run it on ORDS or Tomcat. Okay, that's it for now.